For the girls looking for their new travel hairstyle this summer, this is for you. I wanted something easy and simple that I wouldn't have to think about, so I went with knotless pick and drop braids. To achieve this look, I used 4 bundles of deep wave human hair in 26 inches, but keep in mind I'm 5'10", so I'm quite tall and the braids fall down to my butt. My braider used stretched braiding hair and then integrated the human hair in small pieces throughout the braid, and I asked her to leave out 3 pieces of each braid to achieve a full, almost sew-in kind of look. She then secured the ends of my braids with nail glue so it wouldn't unravel, but this is optional and what I asked for. You can also tie a knot instead if you plan to reuse the human hair. I've had the braids in now for just under a week and it hasn't shed, which I'm loving, so I'll probably keep the braids in for at least a month and then redo the edges to make it last even longer. I plan to swim, surf, and do all the things with this hairstyle in, so let me know if you want to see updates on how it looks after it gets wet and has been in the ocean.